Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by checking prerequisites fast. Confirm your Windows 10 build and enable transparency effects in settings because the OS controls basic blur. Once done, back up the registry key for Explorer so you can revert changes if needed. Now open Registry Editor as administrator. You will add or modify keys to increase translucency. Make sure to close other apps that rely on shell visuals so changes apply cleanly and you avoid unexpected behavior during editing. You now perform the detailed registry edits to intensify translucency. Go to the Personalize path and set Enable Transparency to 1. If an Enable Blur behind value exists, set it to 1 or create it as DWORD. This instructs the compositor to allow stronger blur and opacity control. Once the keys are in place, you must restart Explorer or sign out and back in so Windows rebuilds the taskbar visuals. If you want deeper effects, later steps will add a third-party helper. Do this only after these safe edits. Finish by deciding if you need a third-party tool to achieve stronger acrylic or frosted effects. Install one from a reputable source and follow its instructions, because Windows limits native control. If the taskbar misrenders, immediately restore the registry backup and reboot to return to a working state, then reapply changes one at a time to isolate the issue. Finally, make sure graphics drivers and Windows updates are current, since driver or OS mismatches commonly prevent translucency from rendering correctly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.